what's something people don't know about face massage? It's not just about relaxation. Let's dive into 10 surprising benefits of face massage that you need to know. First up, it improves blood circulation, giving your skin that healthy, radiant glow. Next, say goodbye to puffiness. Lymphatic drainage helps reduce swelling and remove toxins. Feeling stressed? A face massage soothes facial muscles, easing stress-related wrinkles and headaches. Plus, it enhances skin elasticity by stimulating collagen production, reducing fine lines and sagging. Need clearer skin? Massaging boosts lymphatic flow, detoxifying your skin and preventing breakouts. And it helps your skincare products absorb deeper, making them more effective. More benefits: it promotes relaxation, tones facial muscles for a youthful look, relieves sinus pressure, and boosts your natural glow by enhancing cell renewal. So, what are you waiting for? Treat yourself to a face massage and let your skin shine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more beauty tips.